How to stop sharing Instagram stories to Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily stop sharing Instagram stories on Facebook. So it's pretty simple. Just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and simply select the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now select the account center option. And once you're inside here, you can see on the profiles option, or you can also tap on the sharing across profile. And here you should see all of your accounts which are connected to your Instagram. So in this case, my Facebook account is connected. So when I tap on this, as you can see, both my Instagram story as well as post will be shared on both Facebook as well as on Instagram. So to turn this off, you can simply disable this both of these options from over here, or you can also keep one if you want. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.